Hey y'all, Irix guy here, and this is how to adjust the gimbal wheel speed for the Mavic Air. Now, I've got the most current version of the DJI Go app, and what I'm going to do, if you look towards the top right of the DJI Go app screen, it looks like 3 periods. I'm going to select that. The next thing I'm going to do is towards the bottom, well, let's see, the top icon looks like a little drone, and you got a little ball with some stuff shooting out to the right. Then you got a controller. Then you got like a Wi-Fi icon. Then you got something that looks like a battery with an arrow pointing up. But directly below that, it looks like a camera hanging below. So that's what you want to click, the little camera. After you select that, then you'll select Advanced Settings. And after selecting Advanced Settings, it's actually quite simple. See where it says Max Gimbal Pitch Speed? I've got it on 19. So if you want it slow and cinematic, you can go as slow as you want. See, I can drag this over here. I can drag it to the right. What I've found though is at 20, for me, if I film it right around 19 or 20, it seems to make my make my videos look the best. And if you can't get precisely where you want to go, just hit the minus sign or the plus sign to decrease or increase in increments of 1. So after you set that, just go back, and then when you use your gimbal wheel, and I know I'm indoors right now, but see how slow and controlled that is? I'm in the upwardmost position right there, but if I go down, you'll see how slowly it goes down. So, to make a video that looks very cinematic, adjusting that gimbal wheel speed is a great way to do it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share. And check out my website if you haven't already, epicdroneshow.com. You can find all the Mavic Air varieties and accessories on epicdroneshow.com. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day.